Hi everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest in innovative products. Today, we're diving into the world of Halloween costumes with a unique twist: LED light-emitting masks. These aren't just any masks. They're designed to light up your Halloween night and add that extra touch of spookiness to your costume. Let's explore what makes these masks stand out from the rest. These LED masks come in a variety of designs and colors, perfect for any Halloween theme you have in mind. Whether you're aiming for a creepy Purge look or something more festive, there's a mask here to match your style. Each mask features vibrant LED lights that illuminate the night, ensuring you stand out in any crowd. Despite their high-tech appearance, these masks are designed for comfort, with adjustable straps to fit various face shapes. Made from high-quality materials, these masks are built to last through multiple Halloween seasons. You'll find a range of designs, from classic Purge themes to intricate patterns and vibrant colors. To wrap it up, these LED light-emitting masks are not just accessories, they're statements. If you're looking to elevate your Halloween costume this year, consider adding one of these masks to your ensemble. They combine style, innovation, and a touch of eerie charm that's perfect for the season. If you're interested in picking up one of these masks for yourself, check out the links in the description below to find the latest pricing and availability. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, stay spooky.